Hello, everyone. My name is Anthony Schweiger. Currently, I'm in the Management and Organizational Leadership program at SPC. This is about my last semester. This is my last class before I go and take my capstone. I'm trying to finish up this degree so I can pursue my next job is going to be in pharmaceutical sales. Currently, I'm actually working in dentistry. I'm a dental assistant at a private practice, and I would say probably one of the biggest things we deal with in relating to this topic is, for me personally, supply chain management and inventory management. One thing that became really difficult for us recently was at the heart of COVID when everything hit. I know that I'm sure we weren't the only ones dealing with the supply chain crisis, but there was a huge hit where we were charged outrageous numbers for products that we used to get on wholesale for pennies on the dollar. It became hard to order things. It became hard to pay the prices that they wanted to charge for the upgraded features that now some of these items aren't able to be made in certain distributions. So having them made more locally is costing more. There's certain factors that went into play, and during this time we had to find either alternate solutions for suppliers or some other way to counteract the fact that these prices and lack of inventory across the board was becoming an issue. One thing we did was we searched out a few different vendors for a few of our suppliers. We actually got all of it under control with at least 3 of the vendors that we had never used before. These guys were actually able to get us some of the stuff. However, it may have been at a higher rate, but at least we were able to get the supplies in. Unfortunately, in the medical industry, there are certain products that we have to have. Whether it takes a little bit extra money to buy them, we have to do it because they're required. One of the things being something we use every day, masks and gloves. These things never used to be an issue. Specifically masks, where we used to get them for about $3 a box. They started to cost anywhere from $20 to $25 a box. They were a huge commodity during the pandemic, and they were out of stock everywhere. They even had to start new manufacturers to begin making them. But this was a chance for me to learn about these things, and I really thought it was great that we were able to overcome that, and I see things turning around better now. I'm sure you guys dealt with similar things, and I can't wait to hear all about them and learn about some of you during this class.